Run, feet, run. Plot summary. Mitt has fun running with a special pair of stilts which have feet on them. When Mitt sees Sam approaching in the distance, he runs and climbs a tree to hide. The big feet on the stilts hang down from the branches of the tree and frighten Sam and Sis. The stilts slip and Mitt falls from the tree. Then all three animals have fun, running and jumping.
See the feet? See me run with them. It is fun. I see Sam. Run, feet, run. See me? See the feet?
See the feet.
I run. It is fun. Sis, see me run? This is fun.
Sam sits. Sis sits with Sam.
What is that? Run, Sis, run! The feet will run with us.
Sam and Sis see the feet. Mitt fell with the feet.
See us with the feet. We run in the sun. What fun!